Hey guys, welcome to Kevin's Fang channel. In today's video, I'm trading NFP live with my community. This is my Telegram channel. I dropped buy GBP USD from this point, and this is the stop loss I gave them to enter. All right, so this is a disclaimer. I don't trade NFP normally. Like, I'm not a news trader because I know how news works. The volatility is crazy. In fact, all hell of manipulations happens during news, so I know how it works. But this particular news, I'm going to buy it because it just corresponds to my strategy that works 99% of the time. That's why I want it. Okay, let's pull the trigger. Remember, we are all in probability. If it goes in profit, then we have it. If it goes in loss, then so be it. I'll add an alert here. Okay. What's this? This is due to continue anyway. At least I'm adding an alert below, so that when stop loss hit, the market will tell us. I'm actually bullish on JPSD because 4-hour time frame. I actually went from 4 hours, 1 hour down to 15 minutes time frame for entry confirmation. So it is bullish. And most importantly, apart from being bullish, liquidity has been taken. They take liquidity from those trying to sell before. They also took their money when they tried to buy. So now nobody is in the market. It's a kind of empty move. So I've confirmed the breakout strategy at this point. So after this breakout strategy, most of the time, the market is going to buy to the upside. I've tested this. It has been working for me. So it's not the first time. So whatever I'm doing in the market today is based on experience, from experience. That's why in markets, you need to have some kind of experience with the chart so that each time it gives you a particular structure, you already know where they are heading to. Now, before the news drops, that's in 2 minutes 53 seconds, I want to tell you something about my August trades. I've been taking a trade on August with few persons which are in a group called August VIP group. This group, we are making a lot of profit. In fact, we have secured more than 400 pips. So I'll just show you a screen record of this group. Okay, just 17 persons so far, killing the market. We only took one trade from 1st August to today, and that loss, we took one loss on GBP USD, and it was 11 pips. Then others went into profit with making 100 pips, 314 pips in a trade. So, and at the end of the week, we give a breakdown of our trade history, and then so that the traders will be updated in our whereabouts. So right now, nobody is running a drawdown. So we are all profitable in our account. So moving into next week, we are moving into profit, from profit to profit. That's how it works. Now, in 1 hour 53 seconds, we are going to hit NFP. I'm buying GBP USD. I don't care what any other person is saying. What I believe in is on my own strategy. My strategy is a kind of complex because it is demanding. Okay, so it will be difficult for me to explain my strategy in a video, just like to explain all my strategy in a video. That's why I compiled my strategy, documented it in a drive for my students who will like to learn from me. Remember, most people may not be able to learn from the charts directly. That's why some persons may need assistance. Okay, so if you cannot help yourself, if you cannot trade or learn from the chart, I can just send you my file drive, my own strategy, which is on the drive. You go through them. It's on video format. Anyone you didn't understand, you call me. We go on Zoom, but that is on schedule. We schedule Zoom meetings with our students 2 times in a week. So just to keep them along and make sure that they are doing exactly what they have practiced. Now, too much of the talking. Let's enter the news, because in the next 43 seconds, 46 seconds, the greatest news in the Forex space will drop. NFP. Good. This is not a financial advice. Please don't try this at home, because I don't advise anybody to trade NFP, CPI, FOMC, and or what have you. All this news, they carry a lot of manipulation. So I will not advise anybody to do this because it needs expertise. You have to be expert in it. In fact, there's no way you can be expert with news, because it is what it is. It must do what it wants to do. Whether you are a guru or not, they must do what they want to do. Sometimes you see a spike, downside, spike, upside, and that is news. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, boom, guys. You see, it bought, because I actually know this trade. It's massive, guys. It's massive. Okay, I think I'm going to go to my Telegram channel now, and then it's coming down. News is a scalping thing, guys. So everybody in this now should take profit as soon as possible, before it reverses back to the stop loss position. Now, already we are also taking a trade from the VIP group. Let me show you. We are trading which pair is that? NZD CHF. We are selling it, so obviously it's supposed to be sells because of the negative correlation. So we also in profit in these two trades. That's how my NFP today is in profitable zones. All right, I'll see you next time, guys. Let me just go and update them. In profits, take profits, take profits, take profits. It's cool.